Hey everyone, today we are making delicious vegetable pulav. First I'm adding oil, cumin seeds, bay leaf, cloves and cinnamon. Now I'm adding perqueros. Now I'm adding onions and cooking them until golden brown. Next I'm adding fresh vegetables and green chilies. Now I'm adding soaked rice, salt, and water. Our tasty vegetable pulav is ready. Just give it a gentle stir to release the steam. And there you have it, the most delicious homemade veg pulav ready to enjoy.